Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just duplicate this pillows over here for now. I'll slightly just shuffle it a bit over here in this way. Let's again go over here. Again I will just make a copy of this, press R and scale it. Let's slightly push this over here. Again make a copy of it and slightly just adjust this correctly over here. Again I will make one copy over here. I'll just rotate it. Alright. So now again I'll go over here and I will take one plane over here. Let's just take a plane. I'll just slightly take a plane over here and let's give a bit of segments over here. And I'll just select this. So okay, so select this over here and let's give a cloth modifier. So I'll just assign a cloth modifier over here. I'll go into the object properties and I'll just assign a cloth, go into this add objects, and I can add some elements over here for this collision stuff over here. So I can just add this elements and make this as a collision, and let's click OK and let's click on this simulate local. So we can just give some simulation stuff over here if needed. So if you want, you can give more wrinkles and all this stuff if required. So what I'll do over here, I'll again go over here and convert to editable poly, and if you want I can slightly just scale this over here and let's go into this freeform over here and let's make it a bit of a noise or something. So you can just assign a noise over here. So I can easily assign a noise stuff over here and let's just adjust this over here like this. Adjust this stuff. Alright, so slightly just again use a bit of shift over here if needed. Alright, so let's again go over here and I'll just save the file once over here. So we are not going to go with the same stuff. I'll again go over here and I'll just assign a turbo smooth over here. So let's click over here and let's take a cone over here. So let's take a cone. Let's go to the top view and let's click on auto grid and take a cone over here like this. So select this cone and slightly just push this up. I'll just mirror it in Z axis, increase its height, push it up, radius 1, radius 2, height, and let's give a taper modifier. So let's give a bit of curve if needed, if you want to assign a bit of a taper over here. So taper can be assigned in this way, and let's convert to editable poly. So select the polygons over here. So let's give a bit of inset, and let's just bridge this over here. Let's take a cylinder. So again go over here and slightly just push this up, and increase the height over here in this way. So convert to editable poly, slightly just shuffle the vertices a bit up over here. Let's again take a line tool. Let's just go over here and let's assign some shape like this. Go into rendering, enable in viewport, slightly just push this over here, and go into hierarchy, affect pivot only. So let's just duplicate it and let's make one copy of it. So that can be done. So we can make one copy of it and just adjust it accordingly over here. So let's just keep on saving the file. So let's again go over here. Let's go into this front view over here and let's select the vertices and slightly just push this up. Just take auto grid, keep the auto grid on, and let's just make a shape, and let's increase its height over here, and convert to editable poly. Select the polygons. Let's give a bit of inset over here and slightly just extrude a bit inside over here as needed. So we can give such stuff over here. Again I'll take a copy of it. I'll just press R. I'll just scale it and I'll push this up over here. Again press shift and drag it. Again slightly make it bigger. Again take a copy of it. Select the vertices, push this up, and again take a copy of it. Alright, just save the file. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.